A step-by-step beginner's guide to a home-based, lucrative career with an average salary range of $55,610 to $106,018 in the U.S., 2025. Discover how to break into this high-demand field with fully remote opportunities. A freight dispatcher serves as the central coordination hub for the transportation industry, ensuring goods move efficiently from origin to destination. As a dispatcher, you'll be responsible for coordinating truck and freight transportation, scheduling drivers, planning optimal routes, and tracking cargo, acting as the crucial link between shippers, drivers, and clients, ensuring timely deliveries and resolving transportation issues. Record management. Maintain detailed records of all shipments, driver hours, delivery schedules, and transportation documentation to ensure compliance and operational efficiency. Route planning. Create optimal routes based on efficiency, fuel costs, traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery deadlines to maximize productivity. Communication hub. Handle all client communications, resolve transportation issues in real time, and maintain positive relationships between carriers and shippers. A growing industry with remote opportunities. Work from anywhere with just a computer and reliable internet connection. Enter a thriving industry driven by the massive $875 billion plus U.S. logistics market. Start your career with minimal upfront investment in tools and training. Enjoy flexibility while maintaining stable income potential. Build transferable skills valued across the entire logistics sector. Average annual salary, $76,217. With a typical range between $55,610 and $106,018 depending on experience and client base. Monthly average, $6,351. Consistent monthly income potential with opportunities for growth as you expand your client base. Hourly rate, up to $38. Top-earning dispatchers can achieve high hourly rates with the right clients and optimized operations. Job opportunities, 547,000 plus. Active remote roles available in the market as of July 2025, indicating strong demand. The freight dispatching field offers substantial earning potential, especially as you build experience and expand your client base. Many dispatchers start with a few clients and scale up over time. Organization and multitasking. Successfully juggle multiple shipments, deadlines, and driver schedules simultaneously while maintaining meticulous records and documentation. Communication excellence. Develop clear, concise communication skills for phone and online interactions with drivers, clients, and shipping facilities across different time zones. Negotiation proficiency. Master the art of negotiating favorable rates for clients, resolving conflicts between parties, and finding solutions to complex logistical challenges. Technology requirements. Reliable computer with dual monitors for maximum efficiency. High-speed internet connection with backup options. Professional headset for clear communications. Smartphone with unlimited data plan for on-the-go management. Secure cloud storage for document management. Software solutions. Industry-specific dispatching software, TruckLogix, DAT, McCloud. Route optimization tools. Digital record-keeping systems. Call management and recording software. Accounting and invoicing programs. Education background. No formal degree is required to enter the field. Successful dispatchers often come from diverse backgrounds, including roles in office administration, logistics, or customer service. Online training courses. Enroll in self-paced specialized courses that cover dispatching fundamentals, transportation regulations, and essential software training. These programs typically range from 2 to 12 weeks. Self-study programs. Undertake structured independent learning through industry-specific books, online forums, and free resources to build the necessary knowledge base for a successful start. Mentorship and networking. Connect with experienced dispatchers who can offer valuable guidance, insider tips, and potential client referrals as you develop your skills and professional network. Master industry terminology. BOL, Bill of Lading official shipping document. POD, proof of delivery confirmation of delivery. LTL, less than truckload partial shipments. FTL, full truckload complete trailer loads. FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Freight types and carriers. Dry van, refrigerated, flatbed, specialized. Hazardous materials requirements. Weight restrictions and oversize loads. Carrier classifications and capabilities. Regulatory framework. DOT, Department of Transportation, regulations. Hours of service, HOS, rules for drivers. Electronic logging device, ELD, requirements. Interstate transportation compliance. Create your professional workspace. A well-designed home office is essential for productivity and projecting professionalism to clients and carriers. Dedicate a quiet, private space away from household distractions. Invest in ergonomic furniture to prevent fatigue during long shifts. Set up proper lighting to reduce eye strain during early/late hours. Ensure secure backups for all digital records and communications. Create a professional background for video calls with clients. Route planning tools. Learn to use digital mapping and route optimization software to calculate the most efficient paths based on multiple factors including traffic, construction, and fuel costs. Load boards. Practice finding and booking loads through industry platforms like DAT, Truckstop.com, and 123 Load Board to connect carriers with available freight. Digital logging. Become proficient with electronic logging systems to track driver hours, ensure compliance with regulations, and maintain accurate shipment records. Connect with the transportation community. Success in freight dispatching relies heavily on your industry connections and ongoing learning. Join dispatcher forums and social media groups, Trucking Truth, LinkedIn logistics groups. Attend virtual conferences and webinars on transportation topics. Subscribe to industry publications like Transport Topics and Logistics Management. Follow regulatory bodies for updates on shipping rules and requirements. Connect with experienced dispatchers who can provide mentorship. Volunteer assistance. Offer to assist small trucking companies or owner-operators for free or at a reduced rate to build experience and collect testimonials. Join practice groups. Participate in online dispatch simulations or community groups to practice handling realistic scenarios and receive feedback from experienced dispatchers. Build your portfolio. Create sample rate negotiations, load booking examples, and route plans that demonstrate your skills to potential clients. Starting with unpaid or low-cost work allows you to build confidence, refine your processes, and collect valuable references that will help you secure higher-paying clients in the future. Client acquisition strategies. Directly contact local carriers and independent owner-operators. Attend virtual trucking meetups and industry events. Create profiles on dispatcher directories and marketplaces. Ask satisfied clients for referrals to expand your network. Rate negotiation tactics. Research current market rates for specific lanes and freight types. Present value-based pricing, percent of load versus flat fee models. Highlight your specific services and additional value. Offer tiered service packages for different client needs. Relationship building. Maintain regular communication with clients beyond just load booking. Provide market insights and industry updates to carriers. Develop trust through consistent performance and transparency. Schedule quarterly reviews to assess and improve services. Mastering crisis management. Successful dispatchers excel at handling the unexpected challenges that inevitably arise in transportation. Develop emergency protocols. Create step-by-step procedures for handling common issues like breakdowns, weather delays, and facility closures. Build communication scripts. Prepare templates for professional communication with clients and drivers during both routine operations and crisis situations. Master conflict resolution. Learn techniques to de-escalate tensions and find win-win solutions when disputes arise between parties. Record key metrics. Maintain detailed records of loads moved, profits generated, client satisfaction scores, and issues resolved to establish performance baselines. Analyze patterns. Review your performance data to identify trends, recurring problems, and opportunities for improved efficiency in your operations. Implement changes. Based on your analysis, make strategic adjustments to your processes, communication methods, and service offerings. Gather feedback. Regularly seek input from drivers and clients about their experience working with you and areas where you could improve your service. Continuous improvement through data-driven optimization will help you stand out in a competitive market and retain valuable clients for the long term. Business structure. Choose between LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation based on your liability needs and tax situation. Register your business with state and local authorities. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. Regulations and insurance. Stay current on U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT, regulations affecting carriers. Consider professional liability insurance to protect your business. Understand contract law basics for dispatcher agreements. While dispatchers typically don't need the same licenses as brokers or carriers, proper business registration and understanding of industry regulations are essential for long-term success. Create your digital presence. Develop a professional website highlighting your services, experience, and dispatcher credentials. Include testimonials, clear service packages, and easy contact methods. Leverage social media. Establish profiles on LinkedIn and Facebook to connect with carriers, share industry insights, and demonstrate your expertise through regular content. Build social proof. Request and prominently display testimonials from satisfied clients. Document successful case studies showing how you've helped carriers increase efficiency and profits. Network strategically. Join online and local transportation groups where carriers seek dispatchers. Offer free consultations or webinars to demonstrate your knowledge and attract potential clients. Expanding your dispatching business. As you gain experience and build a reputation for reliability, numerous growth paths become available. Independent dispatcher. Start with managing 3 to 5 trucks while refining your processes and building reputation. Scaling operations. Expand to managing 10+ trucks by implementing more efficient systems and processes. Dispatching agency. Hire additional dispatchers to work under your brand, serving more clients while you focus on business development. Brokerage or consulting. Leverage your expertise to move into freight brokerage or logistics consulting for larger organizations. Education phase. Choose your learning path and practice with demo versions of industry software. Commit to 1 to 3 months of focused learning and skill development. Setup phase. Establish your home office with necessary equipment and software. Register your business and set up your digital systems for client management. Network phase. Join industry forums and begin building connections. Reach out to potential clients with your service offerings and unique value proposition. Launch phase. Secure your first clients and deliver exceptional service. Remain proactive, your success is built on organization and relationship skills.